Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered what it will look like in 30 years? Forget what you think you know, because the future of our skies is going to be more incredible than anything we've seen in science fiction. Welcome to a journey beyond 2050. Let's start with personal air travel. Imagine this. Instead of being stuck in traffic, you hop into your sleek, electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle, or eVTOL. Think of it as your personal air taxi. Quietly, efficiently, it lifts you straight up from a neighborhood skyport and zips you across the city in minutes. By 2050, these won't just be for the super rich, they'll be an integrated part of our public transport system, weaving a new three-dimensional network of routes above our heads. This isn't just about speed. It's about reclaiming our time and reducing ground-level congestion and pollution. Our cities will breathe easier, and so will we. Now, let's talk about long-distance travel. The age of the jumbo jet as we know it is evolving. By 2050, we'll see the rise of hypersonic and supersonic jets making a commercial comeback. But this time, they'll be powered by sustainable aviation fuels or even hydrogen. A trip from New York to London could take less than 3 hours. But speed isn't the only goal. We'll also see innovative aircraft designs inspired by nature, like blended wing bodies, which are far more fuel efficient. These flying wings will not only cut down on emissions, but also offer a quieter, smoother ride. The cabin experience will be transformed too, with augmented reality windows showing celestial information or a view of the ground below. But the sky isn't just for people. A massive, silent revolution will be happening with autonomous drones. We're not just talking about package delivery, although getting a pizza dropped on your balcony will be common. These drones will be the unseen heroes of our future world. They'll monitor crop health for farmers, conduct search and rescue missions in dangerous terrain, inspect infrastructure like bridges and wind turbines, and even help reforest our planet by planting millions of trees. This intricate ballet of drones will be managed by advanced AI-powered air traffic control systems, ensuring safety and efficiency for everyone, both in the air and on the ground. So, the next time you look up, picture it, a sky bustling with quiet electric air taxis, sleek hypersonic jets streaking across the upper atmosphere, and diligent drones working to make our world a better place. The future above us is bright, clean, and closer than you think. It's a future where the sky connects us in ways we're only just beginning to imagine. Thanks so much for watching. If you're as excited about the future as I am, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more journeys into tomorrow. See you in the next one.